Alright, I'm working on this Geberit wall hung toilet. I'm replacing the flush valve. The old one looks like this and the new one looks like this. So obviously they're different, but the manufacturer replaced this older version with this one. Now it's taller, it doesn't fit, and what's happening is because the basket, this little basket, is stuck down there. Let me see if I can get a picture or video for you so you can see it down there. So what you need to do is reach in and take that out. And then that's for the old one. You should be able to insert this new one back in there. Just double check that. See, there's a seal on this one. I don't know if the old one, the seal got stuck or something. Just double check that everything will fit properly before you proceed forward. And yes, to confirm, there is another seal down there. Somehow you have to get your arm in and pull this stuff out. So if you don't have a skinny arm, this will not work. Just make sure you got everything, and then you can proceed. To shut the water, this is your kind of like an angle stop to shut the water just for this, for the tank, for the fill valve. All right, so just flip these wings down to the sides so that you can fit this in there. It's a little bit of a wiggle, so it's able to get it in. And then just gonna have to, I mean, if you have a phone, maybe slide it in and take a video like I'm doing right now. That would be helpful, so you can make sure you have it in the right place. And then this little clip in the back here, you just kind of squeeze it to fit in that groove. All right, and then flip your wings up, straighten everything out, and you should be ready to go. Just turn the water back on and test to make sure that the toilet's staying, it's not draining out. You can flush. Let's just make sure everything functions before we put anything back here. Now on the old one, while that's filling, I'm going to show you this little clip kind of squeezes together and grabs into the back of the tank, right? And these arms slip up, right? So those are the things you're going to be folding down in order to, and clip pinching this, pulling it out in order to get everything out of the tank. For the fill valve, do the same thing. Right here, you just pinch these and pull forward, and then you should pull everything out. Yeah, don't forget to close the water. Okay, perfect. Looks like everything's holding and working well. We are going to reassemble the buttons now. All right, let's go ahead and test it and make sure everything's working well. Perfect.